Alright guys, so here's the deal. That was my first time using a liquid fertilizer ever on my lawn, just ever. And with this product, there's definitely a couple things to note that they do not tell you on the instructions. So I'm going to give you one very good tip at the end of this video, so you're going to have to stick around to see it. But I promise you, it's actually worth it. How's it going, guys? So it's Saturday morning. I'm going to be doing a lot of mowing today. So I decided to clean out the underside of my lawnmower, the deck, and wow. Look at all that stuff. Sand, dirt, God knows what else. So this is what came out from the deck of my lawnmower. As you can tell, there was a lot of it. Probably weighs about 10 pounds. But probably spread that on the lawn after it goes in my composter. Just put her back. How's it going? So I want to get this grass cut so it's ready for me to apply that liquid fertilizer, which I'll be doing this evening because I'm not doing it during the day. I'm not risking that. But either way, I got to get this thing cut. I'm going to stripe it both ways just for the hell of it. We'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so it's Saturday afternoon, getting close to evening. The sun's going to be off of this part of my yard in about 30 minutes or so. So that's when I want to apply this Vigoro product. It's a liquid fertilizer. It's a 2005. It says a thicker green lawn guaranteed. Bold statement. I like it. Okay, so I've never used this product before, but like anything like that, if you've never used it, read the directions. So this says Vigoro Ultra Turf Liquid Lawn Fertilizer contains 40% nitrogen from a source of slow release nitrogen for a healthy green lawn. Used as directed, it will not cause burning of lawns. Well, that's a good thing. Then it says when to apply. 1 application per month, early spring to fall. All right, good enough. So I'm going to open up this tab because this is where I'm going to get the application rates. So give this a little once over. Okay, so the most important thing that I'm looking for is the application rate. And that's right here. They got a nice little tab with all your directions on it. Make sure you read them. So this says application rate. Spray uniformly over a 2,800 to 5,700 square foot area. For best results, apply to a 40 by 71 foot area. Do not water in for 24 hours. Use as part of a complete Vigoro Ultra Turf and blah blah blah. Alright, so that's what I want to know. Seems pretty basic. Let's go see how this stuff works. Let's get at it. Okay folks, so here's the one thing you need to know about this product. I don't know what the results are yet, but the one thing I did notice is I thought I'd have to kind of coat the lawn, you know, soak it. Not the case. About a third of the way through my lawn, I noticed this bottle was getting light, which means I had a whole bunch of product on one end and I wasn't even close to getting to the other side yet. So I really had to pick up the pace, which is fine. I wasn't worried about it, but this is what you need to know. Do not soak the lawn. All you're trying to do is get the leaves wet. That's it. Just a quick misting. Just a misting. That's pretty well it. If you still have stuff left in the jug, then go back and hit it again. That's fine, but don't stick in one spot. So you do kind of have to move a little bit. Other than that, the nozzle on it, easy to use. The product itself, not so bad. The jug's a little bit heavy, but you know, I guess that's part of it. Other than that, we're gonna see how it turns out. I'm gonna check back in a couple days, see if this thing's greened up at all. It does have 1% iron in it, and that should really give it a dark green, but I'll let you know how it goes. We'll see you then. So this has been part 1 of what will be a 2-part series, because I do want to show you the results and how the product actually performs, and if or if not, I did burn my lawn with an over application. That you might want to know about this product before you go out and buy it. So we'll see you in the next one. Have a good night.